We are back on Highway 192. We're gonna check out Orange World today. That's right, Orange World! Orange World! Orange World! Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. Today I figured we could visit Orange World. This is a place I have not visited in quite some time. I figured you guys would want to tag along and see what's happening here at the giant orange on Highway 192. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you would like to support my channel, down below in the description box is the link to my Patreon page. Now, let's take a closer look. There's a little bit of sun and a little bit of shadow on this mural, but nonetheless, I love this. The guy handing the girl the orange. Welcome to Florida. Take some home. Hand-painted mural here on the side of the building. This building has some history. Let me tell you, actually looking at this on their official website, orangeworld192.com. So apparently in 1971, the family who owns Orange World opened the first gift shop on Highway 192. And then in 1984, they purchased Orange World, which I believe that means they purchased the name Orange World, and they created their iconic landmark here on Highway 192. I don't remember a time not seeing this. Obviously, it was built before my time. I was born in 1988, but still, like, I don't believe I've ever come to Orlando without seeing this iconic orange, the world's largest orange. Look, I can almost kind of fit it in my, here, we'll do it here. There. It's on my knuckles. Now they grow, pack, and ship the finest citrus grown in the Indian River region of Florida. For some reason, the soil and distinct weather of the Indian River produces a higher quality citrus. It's thin-skinned, it has higher sugar content, and apparently it's recognized from around the world. I had no idea that if you grew your citrus somewhere else, it would make a difference, but you learn something new every day. It wouldn't be Florida without a shark. You can see the shark there, and the t-shirt and sunglasses, and the words gift shop. We're gonna visit the gift shop later on, don't worry. Now the hotel behind Orange World is the Travelodge Suites. And yes, along the side of the building are, you guessed it, oranges. And that bird. Here at the front of the Travelodge Suites, Eastgate Orange, there's an orange, the VW bug. Everything around here is getting into the theme of orange. It makes you just want to grab some citrus. Well, we're in luck. The last time I was here, I looked at this car and it still had the eyes and the huge eyelashes, and always makes me laugh. And the bears, the bear family on the inside there. It's like you just want to stay here and then walk across and get a bag of oranges and sit on the balcony there and eat your oranges and just completely indulge yourself in citrus. An entrance, and the very tip top of this thing is actually 60 by 92 feet. It's fiberglass, but it is the world's largest orange. And of course I had to throw a throwback photo to show you guys how much has changed. This photo was taken in March of 1989. You can see they have changed a few things on it. They've added the paintings and the word fruit gifts on the very tip top of the orange. On the bottom, the Orange World sign is probably the only thing that's still here from back in the day. Instead of welcome to Florida, take some home, it said discount outlet, fresh fruit, bag your own. And then here it is today. It says welcome to Florida, take some home, has a t-shirt. And then the fresh fruit is on there, but it says pick daily instead of bag your own. And then where the travel lodge, there used to be a little street pole there. So they've added a few things. They're trying to get your attention, you know. Not that a 60-foot, not that a 60 by 92-foot orange wouldn't get your attention. They had to add some few, you know, a few more things. And if I remember correctly, the lines here do light up at night. It's like illuminated in orange at night. I don't know. I've always loved this place. All right, I know you guys are dying to go inside. I am too. It's a little warm out here. Let's go inside. Some watermelon. You guys first walk up. There's Mickey eating some watermelon himself. There's all kinds of stuff up here. All varieties of citrus trees here, 2 for $35. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes, and much more. It's pretty amazing. Clementine right there. Honeybell is what that one is right here. It's pretty cool. I mean, I could probably get one of these and grow it in my yard. Orlando Tangelo. Never heard of that. White grapefruit, red grapefruit. I never even knew there was a difference between grapefruit. I know ruby reds love red grapefruit, but I never heard of white grapefruit. But these are the trees you can get. You can buy these and take them home and plant them. And right here, or some ruby red grapefruit. That's what I know. That stuff's really good, but you gotta have a taste. You gotta have a taste for grapefruit. And here's some Valencia Oranges, or some navel oranges. Buy one, get one half off. Not a bad deal. Love this. The old signs. I have a shirt that has that on it. It says world's largest orange. 92. Oh, it's 92 they're claiming. Okay. 92 by 60. 35,000 pounds. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, that was the shirt I got last time. And they have pins. I might have to pick a pin up. That's amazing. Check it out, it's the t-shirts, the koozie. I believe these are like stress balls. Thought it was an antenna topper at first, but it's a stress ball. And they have pins here. I love the trading pin. That's pretty awesome. Now my shirt, the one I got is this one. I got the orange t-shirt. And I believe I got a postcard last time I was here too. Didn't know they had keychains. And the orange decal here. There's a little coin caddy. That's amazing. It wouldn't be a Florida gift shop without gators and hot sauce. Look at that. It even comes with a gator claw. They have different hot sauces and dressings and marinades and honey. Can't forget about that Florida honey. And the gator sauce. I've seen this everywhere. I've never actually tried it. I need to just get like a little guy like that and try it. It's just a little hot sauce. But it seems to be a staple here in Florida in the gift shops. Ooh. Florida orange syrup. Okay, it's telling you what to do with it right here. Beat egg, sugar, butter, Davidson and Dundee orange syrup with hand beater, stir in pecans, grated peel, pour into 9-inch pie crust, bake. Oh my goodness. And yes, I was correct. They are stress balls. Check that out, old school with Alice right there. It's how you can cut and eat and enjoy your oranges and grapefruits. I remember that, like the little straw you stick in. See that? You just push it, twist it, and drink. I remember doing that as a kid. Only 99 cents. Look at this juicer. And your different spoons. They have everything you need to enjoy your citrus. And that's how the koozie works. The t-shirt looking one. But they have a regular one right here. Check out the clock. That's amazing. Got the logo on there. But yeah, I'm picking up the pin. Gotta have the pin. It's a nice enamel pin too. Got my pin. Give me a pretty big bag for that trading pin, but that's okay. And wanted to show you guys the tote bag here on the outside. It's got the world's largest orange that you keep your oranges in. And they do have fresh squeezed Florida orange juice sold inside. They just didn't have it ready yet. That's okay. Valencia Oranges, 75 cents. Gotta get these bags. It's awesome. The navel oranges and the ruby red, like how they bag it and everything, like so cool. Got everything ready to go. Or you can come over here and pick it yourself. They're $1.25 each. I feel like these are gonna taste a lot better than store-bought though. That's just me. If you are curious, yes, they do ship fruit. So you can go on their website, actually buy the fruit, and they will ship it to you, which is kind of cool. So you can have a little bit of Florida sent to you all the way from Highway 192. But I think our adventure for today has come to an end, which means it's time to say goodbye. But if you enjoyed this adventure here to Orange World, click that thumbs up button. It's down here somewhere. Click that button. I'll see you guys tomorrow on a brand new episode of World of Micah. Shout out to Orange World for letting me film on the inside. And I'm glad I got my goodie, my trading pin. It's gonna go with all my other Disney trading pins. I'll see you guys tomorrow on a brand new episode of World of Micah. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.